Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, act now. First, make sure your Element TV and sending device share the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. Turn the TV on and open the input or menu to the screen mirroring option. This sets the TV to listen. On your phone or laptop, open Quick Settings or Display Options and pick the mirroring feature. Once detected, select the TV name. The connection may ask you to confirm a code on screen. Doing this starts the mirror quickly and reliably. Now focus on the connection itself. You choose the Element TV from your device's cast or AirPlay list. This initiates a direct stream. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts or codes on both screens so encryption and privacy are set. Once connected, tweak display resolution and audio output in your device's screen share or display settings to match the TV. This reduces black bars and audio delay. Also, optimize the network. Move to 5 GHz or pause heavy downloads for smoother playback and fewer stutters. Finish by disconnecting properly. Use your device's stop casting or disconnect control so the TV frees the stream. If mirroring fails, restart the TV first, then your phone or laptop, and lastly the router. This order clears most temporary network conflicts. Make sure both devices run the latest OS or firmware because compatibility problems often cause dropped sessions. If issues persist, switch to a wired alternative like HDMI or use the TV's.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.